Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, hello. My name is Rashmika, and my content will be basically related to beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And I'm super glad to be a part of this YouTube community because YouTube is a dream for me, and I always wanted to have a channel of my own. बहुत पहले से ही but कभी हुआ नहीं. That's maybe because I was waiting for the right time. So I'm putting up my first ever video here, which is none other than my birthday vlog. As birthday से ज़्यादा right time और क्या ही हो सकता है ना? So in this vlog I'm sharing what all I did for and on my birthday. Yes, I have already filmed everything and divided the whole video into, the whole vlog into 2 parts. नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता है and I did not want that. So yeah, without any further more delay, let's get started. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and let's make this YouTube family a bigger one. And now let's get actually started. So today is the 12th of September and today I'm going to get my birthday nails done, which is a gift from a very close friend of mine whom you're going to meet in a while. And this time I'm thinking of getting something simple and nothing extra. So I'm thinking of doing French tips. So see you once I reach the nail studio. So I finally reached the nail studio and here's my friend Kamla. So she's my friend who's going to gift me the nails extension and I'm so excited. So let's go.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Done with my nails and here I have the owner of the studio. So tell them about your studio. So where is it located in?
Guwahati.
Yeah.
Welcome to Ajans.
Yeah.
And myself, Ajanakash Borwa, and I'm basically a fashion stylist.
Okay.
So this is my first venture in Guwahati. So and she came to visit me, and I'm really happy. We are located in Silpukuri, near the State Bank at Guruka Restaurant.
Okay.
So you can come here, get your nails done.
Yeah, and they do really precise work, let me tell you. And please do visit their studio. It's awesome. So I'm done with my nails and I'm so happy and thank you so much. Welcome. Good afternoon, you guys. So this is the 14th of September, which is my birthday eve, and I have planned a few things this evening. So I want to take you guys along with me. So starting off, I am invited to this amazing place known as Jagati Nature Care, which is a wellness center, and they tend to provide naturopathy and Ayurvedic treatments. And after that, I'm going to get my hair spa done. And this is the first time when somebody has invited me to their venture to avail free services. So yeah, I'm so happy and privileged to be invited. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go. So I finally reached the Jagati Nature Care and I'll guys take you along with me and show you guys what all I get as a treatment here. So yeah, let's go.
Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Guys, apart from the naturopathy and the Ayurveda treatments, they also provide yoga sessions and they have a huge, massive hall for it. Let me guys take you along. See this. This is such a huge hall, and that's my friend sitting there. So I've come to the room where I'll get the treatment, and my treatment's name is Shirodhara treatment, and you're going to see what they give me. So let's go. Going through anxiety and insomnia and stuff like that, and even if you don't, you can still go for it because it is quite relaxing, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So people staying in Guwahati, do visit this place. It is really nice, and it is based on all Ayurvedic and naturopathy, so it's organic and it has no side effects. So yeah, do visit. So we have the manager come counselor of this wellness center. So here she is. Give them your introduction.
Namaste.
Yeah.
I am Babita Thakur from Jagati Nature Care. We have facilities like Ayurveda, naturopathy, Panchakarma treatments, hydrotherapy, mud therapy, yoga, Zumba, Pilates, and in future we are also going to have beauty salon. Looking forward for more treatments and therapies from all over Guwahati and all over India. Thank you so much.
So can you please tell them about the treatment that you gave me? That is Shirodhara. Yeah.
So today ma'am took a treatment namely Shirodhara. This is an Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatment that is really good for the insomnia, stress, anxiety, and migraine. In this treatment what we do is we use 2 to 3 liters of oil and we pour it on the patient's head in true and flow motion, and it really gives a relief to the patient, and we have seen a very good and positive response about the treatment. Thank you.
Yeah, she's right about that. It was very relaxing and I have got it. So if you're staying here and if you're staying nearby, then please come and visit this wellness center. You'll love it here. So I've reached where I'll get my hair spa done. I know I look really messy. My hair is messy. I look messy. But it's okay. We're gonna deal with that. I know you're gonna be okay with it. So yeah, let's go and get my oiled hair washed. With my hair spa and a bit of haircut, and I wanted to talk to the owner but he's not here, but I have here Mukesh Bhaiya, so he'll tell you about the parlor and the services that is given here. So शुरू करिए भैया, क्या बोलना है आपको?
हेलो, मेरा नाम मुकेश है। मैं सीजर साउंड का हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट हूँ। हमारे यहाँ पे हेयर एंड स्किन का सर्विस होता है। रश्मिता में हमारे यहाँ पे करते हैं सर्विस। इनको अच्छा लगा तो इन्होंने बोला कि
बहुत अच्छा है,
तो आप हमारे पास आ सकते हो। हमारे यहाँ पे हेयर एंड स्किन का दोनों सर्विस अच्छा होता है।
आप बोल दीजिए कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है सलून?
लोकेशन हो गया आपका ये GS रोड गोरा सर्विस, एशियन प्लेस, 2nd फ्लोर।
ओके।
सीजर साउंड सर।
और यहाँ पे बहुत अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में होता है, तो आप लोग भी आइएगा ज़रूर, क्योंकि मतलब सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छा है। ऐसा नहीं है कि अफोर्डेबल होगा तो कैसा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है।
में हर एक फेस्टिवल में ऑफर निकालते हैं बहुत ही रिजनेबल प्राइस में, तो आप आ सकते हो, एक बार विजिट करो।
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. So that was it for the first part of my birthday vlog, where you all saw what all I did for my birthday. So stay tuned for the second part, which will be all about my special day and will be uploaded soon. Also, there's a giveaway going on my Instagram, so do check that out, participate and follow bhi zarur kar dena, because I'm super active and I'll keep you guys updated there. And all the links to all the socials mentioned in the video will be provided in the description box down below, so please do not forget to check that out. Chalo abhi ke liye bye, see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, I love you all.